Hey folks, welcome back to High Plant Repertoire. Today I am going to be making red kidney beans using the soaking method. Only using a half pound of these dried red kidney beans. Once you bring it to a boil, you'll want to reduce the heat and allow it to simmer. These pre-soaked beans will take approximately an hour to cook, so you'll want to periodically check on the beans. The liquid level will cook down, so you'll want to add a little water to prevent the food from burning. The amount of liquid left at the end is up to you. Some people like the end product to be thick with just enough liquid so the beans and pot don't burn. Others like a more soup-like product. Even if the end product is soupy, you can always use a slotted spoon to dish out the beans and add them to whatever you like. These are great if you're looking to switch up your beans and go for something other than pinto or black beans. These are a great substitute for meat. I like to use red kidney beans as a main ingredient when making homemade bean and cheese pupusas. Also, I sometimes like to add them to salads. These beans pair very well with a salad that has my homemade creamy vegan salad dressing. Adding more beans in your daily diet is something to consider. These beans are low calorie, low fat, high in protein, fiber, folate, iron, vitamin B1, and much more. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And join me on this journey as I try to build a healthier and kinder cooking repertoire.